Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are going to be doing my May Boxycharm unboxing. I'm super pumped, you guys, because honestly, this box has got some weight to it, so I'm hoping that means that there are some really good goodies inside. So if you would like to know what I got this month, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so jumping right on into this. Now, obviously, this one is not going to be a try-on today, and I hope that you guys don't mind, but I do like to switch it up for you every now and then. And plus, not having it as a try-on makes it a little bit shorter of a video for you guys, so I don't know. Let me know which way you prefer better. Do you like it when I do try-ons? Do you prefer when I just kind of show you what I get? Let me know in the comment section below and I'll try to do more of that. So anyways, opening up the box, this is what mine looks like on the inside. The theme this month is Mother Nature, and the card is so stinking cute, you guys. Honestly, I love that. And these are all the products that I got in my box. So I'm just going to go ahead and set it down so I don't drop it, because you guys know how your girl gets. We're a mess. Alright, so the first thing in here is this Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. These retail for $59. It says this dynamic resurfacing facial pads are empowered by Elemis's patented tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet whoa, so many large words. Holy crap. To gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. Oh my Christ. I think they just tried to make that sound like really, really smart. So essentially these are just brightening pads. They help resurface the skin. I really do enjoy it. It's funny because I actually just picked up some from the Sephora brand in my Sephora haul, and I haven't even gotten to test them out yet. But I'm excited to try these. I really do like the Elemis brand. The next thing in here is this Tarte Micellar Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Sorry about that glare. This is a super cool packaging. This retails for $18. And this just says it is a micellar water that is gentle. It has no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. I don't have a ton of micellar waters, honestly. Like, I use like makeup oils or cleansing balms to remove my makeup. You guys know this. I do have a couple samples from like, is it Bioderma? Or something, I don't know. I have a couple small samples of micellar cleansing water, so I'm super excited to try this. This is 6.4 fluid ounces, you guys. $18 for that is not bad at all. The packaging is adorable. I really like it. I'm super excited to try it, and I think it has a pump, which is going to be even more dope if that's true. Oh my gosh, yes. So as you guys can see, it actually has a pump on the top where you can put like a facial pad and then pump it out. So it's mess free. It literally says mess free on there. That's really funny. I really like this. This is dope. I don't know why this says sample not for sale on it. So I wonder how big or how small it normally is. But regardless, I am super excited to try this out. Again, packaging is 10 out of 10. I love that you can just set this out on your vanity and not have to worry about it or anything. And yeah, I will be super pumped to try that out. I may use it today to try and take off this makeup look, which, by the way, this is a makeup look from my mini Morphe haul featuring the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. And I don't know when that will be up versus when this will be up, but if it's already up, I'll link it up here. Cool. Okay, so next thing in the box, I'm so sorry you guys, I've literally had 2 sips of coffee today and my stomach has been grumbling for like 30 minutes, so we're trying to wrap it up. We're going crazy. Next I have this Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. This retails for $22. Literally it just says that it will deliver crease proof, fade proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. I'm not going to open this and mess with it yet because I'm honestly not sure that I'm going to keep this. I am not a big eyeshadow primer user. I know that it is more beneficial than using a concealer, obviously because it is meant to keep your oils at bay, where a concealer is not necessarily going to do that. And it's also formulated to obviously help the eyeshadows perform better. At least most of them claim that they are. I do have one eyeshadow primer already open in my drawer that I hardly ever use. So I don't know that I'm going to keep this, to be honest. I might throw this in a giveaway just because I know there are people that love eyeshadow primers, but for some reason, you guys, I feel like it's just an extra step, and dang if I ain't lazy, girl. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody's got the time. Okay, so the next thing that I got in my box is this Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. This is what it looks like right here. This retails for $21. It looks like a really, really pretty color. This is in the shade Next Level, and I am just gonna swatch it on my hand for you guys. Ooh, I like the doe foot applicator a lot. Hold on, can you see that? These are some of my favorite doe foot applicators because I think they hold a really good amount of product. That is a really pretty color. It feels like it's gonna be very comfortable on the lips. I think it's like a good like formulation in between like what a matte but also like a cream would be. So it looks like it wouldn't be super drying on your lips. And last but not least in my box is this Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. This retails for $35. Oh, it doesn't have a little thing in there. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, not trying to blind you there. So that is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's just a neutrals palette, in all honesty. So I'm not trying to crap on it too hard, don't get me wrong. So like the shades are pretty. I obviously don't know how the formula works because I've never ever tried this brand, and I'm not going to dip my fingers in it because I'm going to put it in a giveaway. This doesn't do anything for me at all. The shades do not excite me. I already have probably multiples of each of these shades in other palettes and as singles. This is just kind of not hitting the mark for me, which is not necessarily a bad thing because, you know, there's definitely somebody out there who can get really good use of it, especially if you're a beginner with makeup, or if you just really, really love neutrals, and this could really be getting you going right now, girl, and I'm not judging you. So I'm not going to keep it because this just doesn't do anything for me. I think it would just be a clutter in my collection, if I'm being honest. If you have tried this palette, either from a Boxycharm or if you've purchased it on your own, can you just let us know what you think of it down in the comment section below? That way we can kind of give an insight to the formula if you have tried it, because I will not be touching it. But yeah, you guys, that is everything in this box. Ooh, we went through it so quick, girl. Ooh, that was not that bad. Let me tally up the cost. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so I tallied up all the products, and the total retail value of this box was $155. Honestly, you guys, I'm really pleased this time. Now, I can't say that I think that this palette is worth $35. I'm not going to have tried it, so I'm not going to know. But to be honest, if I'm keeping it real, you can probably get all these shadows in an e.l.f. palette for a fraction of the cost. And e.l.f. does have some really good shadows, but hopefully this is a nice palette. So with the eyeshadow primer, I know I said I may not keep it, but that's just a personal choice, you guys. It's just because I'm too lazy to do an extra step. With the Pretty Vulgar brand, every other product that I've ever gotten from them in a box has been really, really stellar. So I don't think that this would fall short for you. I'm very, very, very excited about the skincare, you guys. I love the LMS brand, like I've already mentioned, so I can't wait to see how these work. And I really hope that this is as awesome as I'm wanting it to be, because I really, really think this is very convenient. And the lip product, like I said, super pumped to try out. Think it's great color for the season in which we're in, which is what I want to see when I get boxes from Boxycharm. Like I mentioned, I think in my last month's box when I got that very fall type eyeshadow palette, I don't want to get fall themed makeup in the summertime. Like, I get that you can play around and do whatever and you can save it or whatever you want, but if it's a monthly subscription service, I like mine to be a tiny bit more tailored to the current time we're in, if that makes any sense. One more thing before I close this video out. So I did, for the first time ever, shop the Boxy add-ons and the pop-up. Now, my pop-up purchases have not come in yet, which is totally fine. If they do come in before I put this video up, I will pop on and show you them, or I will just save them for next month. But my add-on purchases did come in, so I wanted to share them with you real quick. I got two things. These are products that I have received in previous boxes, and I realized I was getting low and that I was really enjoying them, and I might as well get them for a lower cost. I can't remember what I paid for them right off the top of my head, but I will write it on the screen for you guys. But the first thing that I picked up was this Skin & Co. Face Gommage. This is a face exfoliator, you guys. I am kind of obsessed with this, not going to lie. I feel like for the price that I paid for it, and you're getting 5.07 fluid ounces, this is a really nice size for a facial exfoliator. When you smell it, I mentioned this in the first box I ever got it in, from the tube, it smells quite nice. When you use it in the shower, it does not smell the same, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you, it smells, I don't want to say funky because it's not bad, but it smells a little different. I'm used to it now, I don't mind it, but I do find that these are some of the most gentle exfoliators that I have ever used, so I was so excited to see this on the add-ons and for a cheaper price. Again, I'll have it on the screen for you guys, but I'm so excited to be able to have a backup of this because whatever I have left in my bathroom is the only facial exfoliator I've got right now, and you girl, we have to exfoliate, okay? And then the next one that I got is the Elemis, told you I like that brand, Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning, but I do love this mask. This was one of the first products I tried from this brand that made me fall in love with it. You guys, this is a phenomenal face mask. I love using this the most before I do my makeup. So if I'm gonna go out or if my skin's looking really dull before I film, I will get up in the morning, wash my face. I will put this on primarily in my T-zone, and you guys, it is wonderful. It kind of dries down, so like, you know, it's almost done, like when you really can't see it on your face anymore. And as you rinse it off, obviously it becomes more visible and then it comes off your face. It leaves such an amazing cooling sensation on your skin after you wash it off. My pores are visibly smaller and tightened. It's so nice. It smells really good. It kind of smells like Noxzema, if you know what that smells like, and I love that smell, so it's really refreshing for me, especially in the morning, which is why I like to wear it then. I feel like it makes my skincare that I put on afterwards, like my facial lotions and things like that, feel super great. It's like a mini spa treatment, and then my makeup always goes on flawlessly after I've used this. So if for whatever reason you have never tried this, take your girl's word for it. I wouldn't steer you in the wrong direction. Anyways, you guys, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. Let me know what you thought of my box, and if you yourself have Boxycharm, what was your favorite product that you received this month? Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and if you did enjoy today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you hit that notification bell, you will never miss an upload from me. Last but not least, you can also come follow your girl on Instagram at Alyssa and Pope, and I'll see you in my next one.